Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is me, Jimmy James, mate, and we're here with the short shifter installed. So, the first thing you want to do is get your area nice and safe. We have the jack, we've got a bit of carpet to lay on, jack stands. It's safe to be under the car, so keen as a bean. If it looks like I'm looking over, I'm recording on the phone. It's a bit interesting. Hope you enjoyed the bit of B-roll, or I'll put a bit of B-roll in of the rig we're putting the short shifter in right now. I hope you enjoyed that bit of B-roll of the rig, and this is what deserves a short shifter. So first thing, we have to take out this tail shaft, because that little thingy up there, that's holding the old shifter. You see you see that? That is old, that's where the new one's going to come through. So we're going to get rid of that. And it bolts right to the back of the box. Up here, there's a little clippy C-clip pin, and that stops the dicky bit from falling out. We fuck that off. Fuck off how the hell it sits up there. We get rid of that bit. And we can put our new chassis mounted one in there. That took me a bit longer than I'd hoped, but we have made some clearance. I'll show you. At that goodness, we've got the tail shaft out of the road, undid it where the center bearing was able to leave it attached up the end. And I don't know about your exhaust, but my exhaust I was able to leave on my one hanger I've got. And I just undid the front, undid the O2 sensor just in case, which is this little guy, goes up here next to your box. Undid the factory mount goodness, and up at the flange. So now what we're going to do is, if we can get you to focus, oh look at that, $100 phone quality. There's these little things here, right? That's a little clip, so we should be able to just whoop that straight off. Oh come on, one hander. We nearly got it off. There! Ta-da! So oh for freak, where'd you go? It is somewhere on me. Aha, I found it, it's stabbing me. So these little guys, this is your, God I'm beautiful, I know. These are your little clips, and they just, there's like the C-clip sort of style, except you can grab the bastards. Thank you BMW. So yeah, they just squeeze them open. We squeeze these open and it just pops off. So undo that one and put it in a safe spot. Undone. So I've undone that one, so this can just slip out of this. That's the old shifter. So you keep this bit attached to the gearbox, because that is going to go through with the new shifter. Now I saw another one that just comes in and out of here. Buy that short shifter. Fuck the one I've bought. Got old maxspeedingrods, need to sponsor me. And there's another one of those, way up here, holding, oh what the hell, maybe not, look, oh, so my C-clip on the other end was gone, lucky me. So now we just got to work out, oh wow, this is going to be easy. Look at that, now they got it. Oh yes, we are done, ladies and gentlemen. There's no way, unless your car is as beaten as mine, that it will be that easy. So, good luck. Oh wow, what the hell's that? Oh, good find. I've been wondering where that is. Lucky, sadly I've stopped smoking anyway. So now I'm just going to get my short shifter to bolt to that section there. I'm going to smack this bit with a hammer, get it back to how it should be. get my mate to help me and we'll bolt our short shifter in. I'll put this little bastard in, do my tail shaft and exhaust back up and show some gear changes. Can't stress enough, that was so easy. Oh, I'm sorry guys, but the universe loves me. It is amazing. Oh, I'm so lucky. Alright, I'm sorry that yours won't be that easy, but might be. I wasn't too sure on recording this bit because my car just sort of falls apart, but you got to unclip your switches. This one, I can't work out how to unclip it, so you just pop it up and then get it on the side like this and then fucking shove him through. Now I have enough room to bend this piece up and get into here. Look at all the goodies I found in this hole. But yeah, so yeah, the next step is just going to be bolting this this here beautiful piece. $63 of goodness. Now I've noticed a couple of people have done theirs up and it'll fucking slant a little bit. I'm not sure if that's because of how much weight is in this piece, or it may need to be moved left and right to find the comfortable spot where it wants to sit up straight. And I would like it to sit up straight. Doesn't need to, like, you see this interior. It really does not need to, but if we can have it like that instead of like that, I'll be a happy man. I know I bought a short shifter, but I'm still going to give it a bit of throw, because I do like the throw of slamming the gears. Now, how you adjust this is the longer this piece is sticking out, the shorter the throw is going to be. Now everyone else's seem to have come fully wound out. Now mine, I don't want that wound out. The grease feels like sandpaper. Thank you, maxspeedingrods. You sponsor me, maybe I will give bullshit review, you know. No, it is a good piece. Like, as far as $65 Australian dollars on eBay goes, I'm pretty happy with my fucking hunk of steel. Fuck yeah. Next step, to actually put the shifter in, you get yourself a friend. This is my friend, Shannon to people to Shannon. Move all your stuff, yeah, oh thank you sir. Sit the bastard in there, get in with the correct apparatus, and then you get under. We've decided on a sequence, we're going to go anti-clockwise. So where can you guys see? I'm hoping there. If you can't see, you can't. But anyway, then I'm going to get under and try and line the bastards up. Alright, that'll do. Alright, get under. Hold. I'm trying to hold the wrong one. Not really. I'm trying. Alright, yes. Yep. Wait, I got it cross-threaded. Not cross-thread, fuck you. Is that threaded? Is it turning? Yeah. Woo! Oh god. Is it still turning? Yeah. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to grab a spanner real quick. Wait, give me a sec. You should already be prepared with your own spanner. But I'm not. But that's a 13, which I've already got under there. Alright, let's pretend I was already prepared and I had this 13, which is here, on there, ready to go. Alright mate, keep firming the dog up. Oh, maybe not do the tight yet, we'll get the rest on. Can you do the opposite side, bro? Yeah, we can do opposite. Yeah. Yep. Alright, yep. Is that start at the back? Yeah, mate. Yeah, a sec. Yeah, mate, I got it started. This is a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Alright, yep. I'll get that last one. Alright, you have to wiggle it into the hole. Yeah. Bit more like towards the passenger floor. Yeah, it needs to go there. Yeah. Just try and force it to the passo floor, the end of it, not your end. Your end's going to be going at you. Oh, Nelly. Feck. I might be able to help with a screwdriver. Up here. Yeah, so the end of the bar has got to be like that way. Yeah. Is it through? Sounds like it. Right, a little hook tool. Yeah, you're nearly there, bro. Try and turn it. Yeah, Nelly. Yeah, keep going. Alright, we're getting through the hole. Yeah. Alright. Oh shit. Uh-oh. I think so, but I think I cross-threaded it. Just give me a sec. Yeah, keep doing it up. Is it tight as fuck? Alright, skits. Alright. Well, I'll try and put this through here and we'll see where she sits. Oh, that's right. Someone on the internet said they had to drill this fucking hole fucking bigger.
What?
Fuck. Someone on the internet said they had to make the hole bigger.
Really?
Yeah, it didn't fit. Fuck you, Max Speeding Rod. Why you not make it fit my car? And he was fucking right too, the cunt.
No,
fuck.
no,
Oh, I also have a drill bit somewhere, but fuck yeah. Oh. It might just be really tight. I might be saying no fuck you to Max Speeding Rod. Oh, I think it's just tight, to be honest. Yeah, it's just tight. Something just fucking bit of liquid went in my eyeball then. Please no green hand. Alright, we'll keep trying to squish. Give us a second. Got a pair of multi-grips, of ice grips. You can't hear me. Well, I hope you got a good view still. So, someone on the internet said this hole in the shifter wasn't big enough. Well, after that bit, I disagree. It's just very... Oh, far out. Very tight. Oh, fucking mullet. Oh, I ain't getting it. Oh, yeah, he was wrong. Fuck you, internet. It's just so tight, bro. I hope I like the height it's at, because it's never coming out again. What's the Give her a shift, mate.
Oh, damn, that is short.
Yep. Right, where's it sitting? Is it sitting level? Fuck yes. Success. Oh,
I hope that wasn't on your video.
Mate, of course it's in the video. I can edit if you want. Look at that, fucking broken gearbox. Oh my god, it's so tight.
That is nice.
Yeah, skits. I'm very happy with that.
Fuck yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, mate.
Ooh.
Good $65 or what? Would you buy if you had one, mate?
I would indeed invest.
Look at that, Max Speeding Rods, sponsor this man. We have give you free advertisement.
Every day.
Yes, every
We've
day.
got multiple cars that we can test their products on.
Yes. Alright, well, wait a sec. A slave driver, C.A. White. He is not. Oh, anyway, well, we're going to tighten this up. I'll get back to you when it's on the ground of a little bit of ba-ba-ba-ba. Yes. Well, that's that. Shifter is in. Tail shaft's back up. Exhaust is all bolted on. This little bastard's clipped back up there. She's sorted. All but one measly bolt. Because I put the thing up a bit early and forgot about that one. And the exhaust is in the road. But 3 out of 4 ain't bad. As quoted from the song way back when. And yeah, put on the ground and have a bit of a drive. Woohoo! Alright, we have the... Oh, it's fucking something else. Feels like it's broken the whole time. Oh, I'm in backwards somehow. Oh, this car goes backwards, that's right. My Surf has broken gearbox. It'd like to get caught going backwards. Oh, it's gonna sound bad still. Oh my god, alright, ready? Let's do the shift. Oh my god! That is not enough throw for me. I need to adjust for more throw. Seatbelt first, had it on the whole time, QPS. That is fucking trippy, cunt. It's already in gear. Oh, no, it's not. Where's that one? Oh. Aha! Okay, we test. Wow! Too fast for the car. Oh my god. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to, finding the throw that suits you. Got him! I like maxspeedingrods sponsor me on my friends. Come out with more ingenious, cheap product. Fucking hell. Alright, that's it, mate. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. We have installed the short shifter into my E36 coupe. It is a lot easier than the other internet videos made it out to be. That is what I found. Because holy crap, it seemed like a pain in the dick hole. And it wasn't. It was fucking pretty fucking easy. Especially if you've got a clapped out clap box like me and things just fall apart when you go to take them apart. So yeah. Like, subscribe, do all the stuff please, ladies and gentlemen. I want to get monetized. We need them 1,000 subs. I'm not too worried about the 10,000 viewing hours, but them 1,000 subberoonies. Get your friends just subbing. Don't even look at my stuff. I don't care. I do care. Subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy your holiday season.